December 22, 2032. A date that could mark a turning point for life on Earth. NASA scientists have identified asteroid 2024 YR4, a space rock with a 2.1% chance of colliding with our planet. While the odds may seem low, the consequences could be catastrophic. Discovered by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System Station in Chile, YR4 was first detected in December 2024. Measuring tens of meters in diameter, its path is still being calculated with precision, but initial projections reveal a global risk corridor, a swath of Earth where impact could occur. This corridor stretches from South America across the Pacific Ocean, through South Asia, the Arabian Sea, and into Africa. Among the nations at risk, Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Sudan, and Nigeria. But the asteroid's final destination depends on Earth's rotation at the moment of impact, adding a layer of uncertainty to an already high-stakes scenario. Scientists worldwide are racing against time, using advanced telescopes to track YR4's orbit. Among them is the James Webb Space Telescope, whose infrared sensors measure the asteroid's heat signature, crucial for predicting both its trajectory and impact force. History serves as a stark reminder of what's at stake. In 1908, an asteroid of similar size exploded over Siberia, flattening 830 square kilometers of forest. If YR4 strikes a populated area, the loss of life could be unprecedented. Robin George Andrews, a volcanologist and author, warns that the clock is ticking. While NASA's 2022 DART mission successfully altered an asteroid's path, Andrews fears the same method might not work for YR4. By the time the asteroid swings close again in 2028, any attempt to deflect it would need to be extraordinarily powerful. Kinetic impactors, or even nuclear devices, may be the only viable options. Yet using such force carries its own risks. Shattering YR4 into fragments could transform it from a single cannonball into a deadly shotgun blast. And deploying multiple spacecraft to ensure success would require coordination on a global scale. So, will humanity rise to the challenge? Will we develop the technology and strategy needed to prevent disaster? Or will December 22, 2032 become a date etched in history for all the wrong reasons? Time is short, and so much could go wrong.